Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. How to remodel a shower with tiles, adding luxury and style. Remodeling a shower can breathe new life into your bathroom and create a luxurious and stylish space. Adding tile is one of the most popular options for upgrading a shower. Tile not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your shower, but it is also durable and easy to clean. However, tiling a shower is risky and daunting, not only for homeowners but also the average contractor. In this podcast, we will guide you through remodeling a shower with tile, from choosing the right tiles to installing them to achieve the bathroom of your dreams. To get a more detailed step-by-step with pictures, along with what risks are involved, check out our shower remodel process. How to remodel a shower stall with tile. Renovating your shower stall with tiles can be a great way to enhance your bathroom's overall look and feel. Not only does it add a touch of luxury and elegance, but it also provides practical benefits such as durability and waterproofing. To remodel your shower stall, you must gather the necessary tools and materials, including tiles, adhesives, cement board, grout, and a waterproofing membrane. Next, you'll want to carefully measure and plan out the layout of your tiles to ensure they fit perfectly and create a cohesive design. Once you have your materials and plan in place, it's time to start the actual tiling process. This involves applying the adhesive to the surface of the shower stall and carefully placing each tile in its designated spot. After the tiles have been set in place, you'll need to allow the adhesive to dry before applying grout to the spaces between each tile. It's important to note that proper waterproofing is a crucial step in the tiling process, as moisture can easily seep through gaps between the tiles and cause damage to the underlying structure. A waterproofing membrane should be applied before tiling, and seams or joints should be sealed with silicone caulking and other materials to prevent this. Overall, remodeling your shower stall with tile is a great way to achieve a high-end look. With the right shower remodel service, tools, materials, and techniques, you can easily transform your shower stall into a stunning and functional space that you'll enjoy for years. Benefits of remodeling your shower with tile. Aside from the obvious aesthetic attraction, upgrading your shower with tile has many other advantages. It adds luxury and style to your bathroom and creates a more robust, waterproof surface that lasts years. Additionally, tiles are simple to clean, making maintenance quick and easy. Another significant advantage of having tile in your shower is its versatility. You have virtually limitless possibilities in terms of colors, shapes, sizes, and styles. This allows for personalization, allowing you to create a unique style that matches your taste and personality. Tile is also less expensive than other materials used in home renovations, making it an excellent choice for those seeking high-quality results without breaking the budget. Quick tip: to achieve a truly luxurious aesthetic, consider blending different textures or layering tiles of varying hues or patterns when selecting tiles for your shower remodel. Planning your shower remodels with tile. Now that you've learned about the major benefits of remodeling your shower with tile, it's time to get started on your renovation. Shower remodel planning requires careful consideration and preparation to achieve a successful result. Here are 3 steps for making sure your tile shower remodel is done right. Setting a budget. Setting a budget is an important step in remodeling your shower with tile. Understanding how much you're willing to spend on materials and labor will assist you in making the best decisions throughout the process. While it's tempting to get carried away with all of the creative choices that come with a tile shower makeover, sticking to your budget can help keep things in check while preventing overspending. Making a thorough budget for your tile renovation project ensures that all costs, from supplies to labor, are covered. Make sure you do your research first, since there can be significant price variations between different types of tiles, grout, and even mortar, depending on the quality and brand name. If necessary, including subcontractor fees or specific services, such as electrical wiring or plumbing. While calculating these expenses, consider any additional supplies, such as sealants and adhesives, that may be required during installation. Once all of the expenses have been determined, adding an extra 10 to 15% cushion is essential in case unforeseen changes occur throughout the renovation project. This way, you won't be forced to make impulsive decisions later on when faced with higher than expected prices. Creating this type of financial plan ahead of time allows you to focus completely on bringing your dream shower design vision to life once work begins. Measuring your shower area. Now that you've calculated your budget, it's time to get down to business by measuring your shower area. Precise measurements ensure the tile and other materials fit properly on site. To begin, measure the width of the space from one wall corner of the shower area to the opposite wall corner. During this step, marking off any potential obstacles, such as pipes or window frames, may also be useful so that nothing is overlooked. After determining the width, measure from the floor to the top edge of where you want your tiles installed, normally around 6 inches above the tub surface or somewhat higher if there are built-in benches in the shower area. This will give you a better idea of how much material you need to purchase for your shower remodeling project. Also, remember to measure all walls involved to establish total square footage, which may then be used when ordering tile and grout supplies. After you've gathered these measures, you're ready to go shopping. Determining your design style. With the measurements taken and the supplies prepared, it's time to consider your design style. A good place to start is by choosing a color scheme that matches your home decoration while bringing new life into the room. Consider tile size and type in order to design an aesthetically pleasing pattern for the walls of your shower area. Personal preference and the overall appearance you want to create with your renovation project will determine whether you go with little mosaic tiles or larger slabs. Shower remodel tile selection. With your creative ideas swirling around in your head, it's time to turn them into reality. Shower tile selection choices range from classic subway tiles to trendy geometric forms, so let yourself be inspired. Whether you want a lavish marble finish or a more rustic ceramic finish, here are 4 popular shower tile options to consider when planning your remodel. Marble, a subtle gloss, adds luxury and class. It is more maintenance than other tile types. Glass provides an exquisite appearance while making the area appear larger. Just don't put this on your shower floor due to a slipping hazard. Ceramic, a long-lasting alternative that comes in various hues and patterns. This and porcelain are the 2 most popular. Porcelain, water-resistant and easy to clean. This is also a popular choice. Consider how each of these materials will affect the overall mood of your shower remodeling project. Factors to consider when choosing tiles. There are a few other factors to consider when choosing the appropriate tile for your shower remodel. Each factor significantly develops your final aesthetic, from size and shape to colors and textures. Here are some pointers to help you with your selection. Tile size. When selecting tiles for a shower remodel, larger is usually better, as larger tiles make the space more spacious and inviting. On the other hand, smaller pieces can be used if you have limited square footage or sophisticated design concepts. But keep in mind that when using various sizes on the same wall, it's better to keep them all within the same color scheme, so they don't mix. Color selection. Choosing the right color will bring out the beauty of your tile and tie any existing pieces in the space together. Whether you choose dazzling whites or subtle gray and blue shades, using complementary colors will guarantee that your bathroom appears polished without seeming too busy or overwhelming. Texture variation. Why not add texture to break up an otherwise monochrome palette? For example, combining glossy marble with rough wood can create a rustic vibe while adding depth and character. Similarly, the smooth glass used with matte porcelain creates fascination through contrast, allowing both materials to shine in their way. Whichever size, color, and texture combination you choose makes sure it expresses who you are while creating the ideal ambience for pleasure. Preparing your shower for tile installation. Before beginning the exciting tile installation process, you must first prepare your shower. From choosing a waterproofing system to having the necessary supplies, these important tasks will assist in guaranteeing that your remodel goes off without a hitch. Installing waterproofing measures. After you've decided on the tiles for your shower, it's time to start thinking about waterproofing. This procedure is vital in preventing your shower from water leakage or damage, which may be serious problems if not treated properly. First, look for a waterproofing membrane, such as an uncoupling matting system. They are intended to form a barrier between the subfloor and the tile, preventing moisture from becoming trapped beneath and causing issues later. Also, don't forget to install a shower liner, which will help keep any extra water out during use. Finally, after everything has been properly placed, all grout lines should be sealed with a moisture sealer to avoid mold growth and long-term discoloration of your newly laid tiles. With these extra precautions, you can rest assured that your luxury remodeling project is safe and secure. Preparing the shower floor for tile installation. Before tiling your shower, you must ensure the floor is adequately prepared. Yet, with a few basic steps, this process should be concise and easy, allowing you to quickly achieve the perfect tile installation. First and foremost, any existing damage to the subfloor must be evaluated. If something isn't right here, it must be corrected before proceeding. Once completed, a watertight membrane or other shower pan system must be installed. This will keep moisture from gathering beneath during use, causing later problems. For the wall tile, you'll first need cement board installed and waterproofed. Next, an adhesive mortar must be applied to ensure your tiles remain firmly attached once installed, an important consideration when remodeling with tile. After carefully completing all the essential preparations, you can now confidently lay out your newly purchased tiles for a beautifully attractive finish. Installing shower tiles. Now that all necessary preparations have been completed, it's time to begin the shower tiling. You must ensure that your tiles are properly cut and fit tightly in their allocated spot. To do this, measure out each tile individually or use a template as needed, then mark any cuts with a wax pencil, so they're visible when ready to be cut. After cutting, dry fit the parts together by sliding them into place without glue. If everything appears good here, you can continue using the mortar. Waterproofing measures should be implemented during installation to help create an airtight seal between the walls and floor of your shower. After that, all that is left is to grout and allow your new tiles to cure before using them, and voila! You now have a stunning revamped shower that will bring luxury and flair to your bathroom for years. Finishing touches. After you've finished tiling your shower, it's time to add the finishing touches. Consider adding some shower accessories like shelves or caddies for storage to your new installation to add a touch of luxury and design. These may help keep everything looking orderly and neat. For the grout finish, apply a shower-specific sealer to avoid staining and discoloration over time. When using any product, thoroughly read the instructions to avoid damaging the tiles themselves. If painting nearby, wait until the paint has dried completely before using your newly remodeled shower. Takeaways. Add a touch of luxury to your bathroom by remodeling your shower with tile is a terrific way of modernizing your space without breaking the budget. By researching different tile options and taking proper measurements, you can achieve a seamless and stylish look that fits your budget. In addition to aesthetics, it's important to prioritize waterproofing strategies during the tiling process to prevent moisture damage in the long run. Properly sealing off gaps and edges ensures your new shower space remains functional and beautiful for years to come. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, our expert team specializes in shower remodeling with high-quality tile options. We can help you transform your shower into a stunning and functional space that you'll love using every day. Schedule a consultation with us today to start your shower transformation. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.